1971 inyang may implement yung Republic Act 6111 o Philippine Medical Care Act of 1969. Yung Philippine Medical Care Commission o PMCC ing migbante para kay implementation na ning may sabing programa. At king nasang asulong ing mas masalese at mas responsive o government healthcare program, may bayt yung Philippine Health Insurance Corporation o PhilHealth inyang 1995. At ngening banwa, pagselebrana na ng PhilHealth in karelang ka-29 years amamya serbisyong pangkabulasan kareng sabla. Antimong partina ng karelang selebrasyon, linsa dalaring miyali ang programa a partikular makafocus kareng estudyante. Apin ini in real making competition para kareng grade 8 students at digital poster making contest para kareng college students king mabilog as Central Luzon.
This very important project in collaboration with our partners EdTech and SHED is a testament of the impact created by PhilHealth in the young minds of our future leaders who will carry on or live on the legacy of making this world a better place.
Para karing grade 8 students king Pampanga, Bataan, Tarlac, Zambales, Bulacan, Nueva Ecija at Aurora, malyaring magpasang requirements king email na ng PhilHealth Regional Office 3 at pro3pau@gmail.com. May gumpisa yung submission period in February 12 at mapupus king March 31.
It is a 1 minute real making na gagawin po ng data ng hashtag nag-4M. So ano po ang 4M? Number 1M is magparehistro. Number 2M is magbayad ng contribution. Number 3M is mag-update ng record. And number 4M is mag-claim ng beneficio.
15,000 pesos, 10,000 pesos at 5,000 pesos na rin malyaring apan yung buton king may sabing competition. Pag nakana pa ng PhilHealth, may tumong entry ing pwede balang eskwela. May gumpisa naman inyong February 12 at mapupus king March 15 ing submission period para karing college students king Pampanga, Bataan, Tarlac, Zambales at Nueva Ecija para king digital poster making contest.
So ito yung mga prizes po nila for the national winners. For the first place, 30,000. So may kasamang gold medal, malaki, giveaways. Second, 20,000 naman po. Ayan, meron siyang silver medal, plaque of recognition, certificate, and giveaways. For the third place, 15,000 naman po. So may personalized bronze medal din siya, recognition, and giveaways. And meron pong 14 consolation prizes po. So 3,500 each po ito.
Pininiing mumunang pamikatagon ang nilansadyang antikanini kaganapan ing PhilHealth.
From central office, naisip nila na isama po yung isa sa sektor na napakahalaga sa pagpapalaganap ng mga programang pangkalusugan. At yun po yung DepEd at SHED. And habang nagko-collaboration po tayo pagtalakay sa universal healthcare at health programs, gusto rin i-maximize yung mga activities po ng PhilHealth anniversary. So para mas maintindihan nila, yung mga artistic na yan, matatranslate po nila sa more informative, more engaging na material ng PhilHealth.
Para king karagdagang detalye, malyaring bisita king Facebook page ng PhilHealth Region 3. Ako, Inke Kayong Talasuyo, Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.